So this is a practice called as grounding. Grounding is basically you just connecting barefoot with Mother Earth. If you can like have access to a hillock like that, which is, I go there sometimes, right? I just go uphill barefoot. Nothing like it. That's pure raw earth, the way this planet was. But if you don't have access to that, you can still find something like this. It is still earth material, it's still real grass. Obviously, this grass is not sprayed with pesticides. You don't want to be walking barefoot on grass that's sprayed with pesticides. But how do you do grounding, right? Like, what's the technique for grounding? There is no technique. It's simply you making sure that all parts of your foot, right? Like you are barefoot, no chappals. There is no need to put slippers between you and this earth. I am barefoot most of the time, but barefoot is what helps you ground. So you are going to walk absolutely. If you have flat feet like me, then that's super bonus. But otherwise also, right? Like just keep your bare foot on this ground. You could just stand here and pause and breathe. Like you could literally close your eyes and just stand here and breathe and just let your body loose, right? Like just, you know how as a kid, sometimes when you've gone into your mother's lap and you just like relaxed. Of course, if the trauma inducer was your mother, then this is not applicable to you. But just let loose, right? Like just stand there and through your feet start connecting with this beautiful, beautiful, mad, psychedelic planet that we are all part of, and just start seeing what you can sense with your feet, right? How you can communicate better. And you'll start seeing that there's a certain rhythm that's there that you'll start feeling in your body. Okay, there's rhythm also is not the right word. There's just something. There's this larger, grander movement that will start feeling a little connected to. Your legs will start moving, your hips will start moving. Just be one with this planet. I visually think of it as me going into some large power source and just plugging into that, right? So I'm using my feet to just plug into the earth, and whatever might have been collected, right? Like whatever heavy material, heavy stuff that's connected, I'm just releasing that into her. She has all the space to take it, and I'm just getting a recharge, right? So you're basically recharging your body. Your body is like a conduit of energy, right? So we end up collecting a lot of stuff through our everyday life. What you're doing with this practice is just recharging your body. You're connecting with the natural electromagnetic frequency of this planet, also called as morphogenic field by Rupert Sheldrake. Many names for it, but you're just connecting with this natural frequency that's there in this planet, and you're just connecting with it. Now you could choose to move, you could choose to walk, you could like literally just stand. Sometimes I also sit, okay, like I'll just, if I'm feeling really tired and heavy, like with all the illness that was happening, all the infections, sometimes I'd be really fatigued, right? So I'd just come and like just sit cross-legged and just put my hands, right? So my feet are connected, my legs are connected, I'm just putting my hand, I'm literally like I'm sitting in my mother's lap. You could just do that, breathe, keep your phones away, just switch off from the outside world and go inwards into this world. You could also lie down, right, if you wanted to. Why wouldn't you want to lie down on this beautiful planet? So I do that sometimes when I go to the mountain. I just go lie on the mountain, right? And I feel so taken care of. Like the more you surrender to gravity, I like someone said, I think one of my teachers, someone said that gravity is the earth's way of showing you love, right? Like she holds you, and she holds you with such care and such love and attention. So gravity is how earth shows her love to you. You surrender to that gravity, you're surrendering to the love of this planet, and you'll feel like so relaxed, right? So you'll really feel all your aches and pains being taken away. Just do it.